Today we are going to be looking at the various functions of the various parts and components of the cell. The various components of the cell, like the vacuole, the mitochondria, the nucleus, they are not just there for being their sake. They perform their various functions to enable the normal working of life or the normal working of the cells. So in your JAMB exams, you're going to be seeing a diagram drawn for either of the plant cell or the animal cell. And when you have the diagram, a line is going to be drawn out from one of the components or the figures. And that line is going to be labeled I or H or E. And you'll be asked, what is the function of the part labeled I? It is your duty as a student to be able to identify that very figure that you are being asked about and know the function. So you should be able to relate the diagram as we've drawn in the previous class to the function as I'm going to highlight now. So first of all, we have the nucleus. The nucleus is the part of the cell that controls the whole activity of the cell. Another very important function of the nucleus is that it stores the hereditary information. And we all know that the hereditary information is contained in the gene. Is that clear? In the gene. So all those informations are contained in the nucleus. Now secondly, we are going to look at the mitochondria, which is in the plant cell as well as in the animal cell. The mitochondria, as we all call it, the powerhouse of the cell. Why is it called the powerhouse of the cell? Because that is where energy is produced. That is where conversion of energy is done. And you know that energy is needed for plants to do its activities. Now we look at chloroplast. Chloroplast, as we learned in our previous class, is present in the plant cell but not in the animal cell. And the presence of the chloroplast, the green pigment in the plant cell, is what enables the plants to do what we call photosynthesis. To do what we call what? Photosynthesis. And that is why plants are autotrophs, because they are able to produce their own food or to make their own food by themselves. Now we have the vacuole, which stores other things apart from the ones that are stored by the nucleus. It also stores water in the cell. We have the lysosomes, which enables waste removal and transport of materials out of the cell. Then we have the centrioles, which are involved in cell division, as well as the Golgi apparatus, which are involved in the synthesis, packaging and distribution of materials in the cells. And that's the wrap on plants and animal cells, the various functions of the various parts, the diagram, and your ability to identify it and answer it very well in your exam. Thank you.